Hi there, this is Tammy. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today to share my project that I made for the Color Combo Collab. This collaboration is hosted by Deb Houck's Crafty Cottage and Stamp Girl, who is Paige. For the month of August, our color combination was Old Olive, Daffodil Delight, and Flirty Flamingo. I decided that those colors would be good with flowers. So I went through my stamp sets I haven't used yet and came up with this, Garden Wishes. And then I've been feeling very challenged as far as designing cards, so I just went on Pinterest, which is my standard go-to when I'm stuck. And I typed in this stamp set and I found this really cool card, and I didn't realize till I started to copy it, it's already those colors, so I thought that was interesting. So this is my version of her card. It's only a little bit different. The YouTube person that I found who created this is Melanie Stamps. So I will link to her video down below. I pretty much copied it. Let's see. I made just a couple little changes. So here is my card. When you go see hers, you'll see that she used pattern paper in the background, and I did not have pattern paper to use. So this is an embossing folder that looks like crumpled up paper. And then I took a sponge and just sponged color across the top of it. And then the only stamping on here is the words. The rest is all from the die set. So there's this flower. This is the flower, and then there's 3 different layers that go on it. Oh, I also stamped on the inside. Forgot about that. So you have 4 layers, and each layer is just sponge. So there's my Daffodil Delight and Flirty Flamingo. And then I wished that I still had the big rhinestones. I'm almost out of rhinestones. These are the medium-sized one. I could have used a bigger thing in the center of the flower. And then my sentiment is different than hers. A little hello from me to you. Here's my inside. And here's my envelope. So this is my project for the Color Combo Challenge for August. Thank you very much to Deb and Paige for hosting this. This one is usually the most challenging for me. And this one, like I said, this month I had no idea. And then when I found this card, I just loved it. I think I might like hers a little bit better. But I do love this one. So let me know what you think. Please check out the other participants' videos below. I can't wait to see what they have created with this color combination. And I also will link Melanie Stamps down below the video that I used to make my card. Just a couple little changes. Oh, her card base is blue, and I always do a white base and layer color on there, so that's a difference also. So thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye for now.